Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Dying Light, the beast game, crashing at startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on PS5 console. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is to restart your PS5. Press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires. Wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PS5 and check problem fixed or not. Fix 2. Lockout and login. Lockout from your PlayStation Network account. Go to settings, users and accounts, other sign out. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back. And then launch the game and check. If you have another secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works or not. Fix 3. Switch internet connection. So first of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then launch the game and check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. Also, you can restart your modem or Wi-Fi router to reset your internet and then launch the game and check. Fix 4. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection. Press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one works for you. Fix 5. Rebuild database on PS5. Power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press the PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next, select rebuild database, OK. Now launch Dying Light, the beast game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6. Restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Dying Light, the beast game and then select restore, select yes to confirm. After this, check problem fixed or not. Fix 7. Disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 setting, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Now turn off enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8. Delete game data and cache. Make sure to backup the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage delete. Choose Dying Light the beast, then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then try again. Fix 9. Change DNS settings manually. Go to PlayStation settings, network, settings, set up internet connections. On your internet press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change the DNS settings from automatic to manual. In primary DNS, enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS, enter 8.8.4.4 and hit OK. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS, enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS, enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK. Now relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. This is the last solution. Reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. If you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Dying Light the beast game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you will be able to fix the crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue for the game Dying Light the beast game on PS5. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.